Hi everyone, welcome to today's class, which deals with the verb can. Can expresses physical ability, capacity, or permission. It is an auxiliary verb, which means it can be used together with the main verb. For example, I can talk. She can sing. They can dance. In the negative form, we use cannot or can't. You can't sing. The dog can't talk. And in questions, we use the verb can at the beginning of the sentence. Can you sing? Yes, I can. Or no, I can't. Can the dog talk? Yes, it can. No, it can't. We use can to talk about what is possible, what we are able or free to do. John can speak Spanish. I can't hear you. Can you hear me? Normally, we use can for the present, but it is possible to use can when we make present decisions about future ability. Can you help me with my homework? Referring to the present. Sorry, I'm busy today, but I can help you tomorrow. Referring to the future. It is common to use can for requests. This, however, is incorrect, but generally accepted in informal conversation, mainly between friends and family. Can you make me a cup of coffee, please? Can you turn on the TV? Can you be quiet? We sometimes use can to ask or give permission for something. Can I smoke in this room? You can't smoke here, but you can smoke in the garden. Note that we also use could, may, or might for permission. The use of can for permission is informal. Listen and repeat. Can it sing? Yes, it can. Can Sue type? No, she can't. Can he type? Yes, he's typing now. Can they ski? Yes, they can. Can she drive? Yes, she's driving now. Can it sing? No, it can't. What sport can he play? He can play golf. What sport can she play? She can play table tennis. What game can they play? They can play checkers. What game can they play? They can play chess. Answer the following questions, in positive or negative, for yourself using personal answers. For example, can you dance? Yes, I can. Can you swim? Can you skate? Can you read? Can you write? Can you type? Can you walk? Can you sing? Can you drive? Can you ski? Can you play chess? Say how can is used in each sentence. Circle the word that describes what can is being used to express. For example, I can sing the national anthem. This is expressing ability. If you ride a motorcycle, you can fall. Can squirrels fly? It can snow if it gets very cold. I can help you with your homework if you like. Can you get me a glass of water? I can speak English well. He can use my basketball if he wants to. I can tie my shoes. Can I have a piece of gum? Can they clean my car while I'm at work?